Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ogo. So today's video is all about these locks, and I just want to show you guys how I did these. So keep watching for more details, and if you have questions, comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to y'all. While you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well and give me a thumbs up on this video. See you guys in a bit. So I sort of left out these 4 braids so I can show you guys how I did this. I just went in with some conditioner just to keep my hair moisturized throughout this process of having this protective style in, and also keep my hair conditioned. I'm going to take my Marley Hair and cut it so you have these two. What I'm going to do is just flip it like this. So you flip it like this so you have the thicker ends right here to create sort of a longer strand of Afro hair that you can crochet in. So while you're doing this, to measure the length and make sure you're having that cohesiveness with your locks, what I did was split it down the middle like so and put it right here. That way every time I do one, I measure it and make sure it you know aligns with the rest of them. Next, I'm going to take my spring twist hair. So this is what the spring twist hair looks like. Very springy, very nice to use for faux locks. And what I'm going to do is just split this in 2. Take one of this. So you have 2 equal lengths, but what you're going to do is stagger it like this to where you have it longer. So you stagger it so you have a longer strand to work with. Then you take one side. What you're going to do is take everything, leaving just a little bit of the spring twist in here as well, and begin to wrap your locks. So if you run out like this, all you have to do is take the other half of the spring twist that you left out and just use that to wrap instead. So you just do this. Alright, so that is basically what I did to get these locks done. All the details of the hair I used will be down below. All the products as well will be listed down below. I used the equal Cuban twist 3 times double strand style in the length 16 inches. So it came in a pack of 3 bundles for about $15, which is cheaper than buying 2 packs from this particular hair store. And then I also used the outre twisted up spring twist hair that you use for passion twist in color 1B. It doesn't say what the length is on here, but again, that was why for the locks in front I had to, you know, finish wrapping with half of the spring twist, because I remember at the back I used 1 strand of spring twist and it worked. So as you get to the front, you know, it gets longer to match the length. It's not perfect at all, but again, the messier this is, the better it looks, and I'm hoping that it loosens up a bit as well. It's not stiff at all, which is good, and my scalp just feels a bit raw because again, when you do your hair, but I look forward to seeing this after a couple of days to see how it loosens up, and then I can style it for you guys. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Leave me comments as well, and I will see you in the next video.